Hey everybody, welcome to today's video lecture on career documents, the basics. In this brief introductory video, we'll talk about some common career documents like resumes and cover letters. More specifically, we'll talk about what these documents can help you achieve and what they cannot help you achieve. The first and most important thing that you need to know is this. Effective career documents can help you get an interview, but you're unlikely to get a job offer on the strength of your career documents alone. In other words, a strong resume, strong cover letter, they can help you get your foot in the door. But no matter how strong or effective those documents may be, you're going to need to supplement those documents with your oral communication skills, typically through an interview or a site visit, okay? So this is just another example of how to be an effective, comprehensive communicator, you cannot rely on written communication alone. You've got to supplement your written communication skills with oral or verbal communication skills as well. Now, how can you use these documents to get your foot in the door? You can do so in two main ways. So first, you can get an interview by crafting effective career documents by linking your interests and your skills to the company's culture and needs. In other words, you can frame your qualifications and your personality in a way that aligns with the requirements of the position you're applying to, and also that aligns with the culture of the company that you're applying to. You can also land an interview by aligning your job document's language with the job ad's text. In other words, you don't just want to align your personality and qualifications with the company, you want to use the specific language of the job ad. You want to read that job ad critically, think about what the most important phrases in that job ad are, and then incorporate those key phrases or key words in your cover letter and your resume. And that, my friends, brings us to the end of this very brief introductory video lecture. To learn more about how you can craft effective resumes and cover letters, please watch my video lectures on those topics. Thanks for watching, everybody.